blue ball.
How far up is she gonna run?
That was a good kick.
What? It's a red ball. Went off of blue.
Good job. Come on, come on. Come on, Gracie. Or whoever you are.
Damn, that wind. It was hot and now it's cold again.
It's because the sun's gone under the clouds. You're getting sunburned too, so you're gonna
I am?
You're red. You're not burning red, but you're red.
Huh, I don't know how I could get sunburned when I've been sitting behind this umbrella.
Well, your other side might not be.